how to turn on dark mode on Instagram. You can't turn on dark mode on Instagram using Instagram settings. There is no such option. The only way to do that is by using your phone settings. So let me show you how to enter dark mode on your Android device. Let's open Settings app. Type in the search bar brightness and click on the first result, brightness level. Here under appearance you can see there's dark theme. Click on it and now all your applications are in dark mode, including Instagram. If you want to see more useful and in some cases hidden apps options of popular apps, consider subscribing to our channel.